Cardano vs Tartaglia, the Cubic Equation Feud Explained. Imagine a time when solving equations was like unlocking a secret code. During the Renaissance, mathematicians faced a big challenge: solving cubic equations. These are equations where the highest power of the variable is 3. Finding solutions for these was a puzzle that took years to crack. Today, we'll explore how two famous mathematicians, Cardano and Tartaglia, played a key role in solving this puzzle and how their story reflects the importance of numbers in history. The story starts with a mathematician named Scipione del Ferro. He discovered a way to solve certain cubic equations but kept his method hidden. After del Ferro died, his student Antonio Fiori learned his secret. Meanwhile, Niccolò Tartaglia, a self-taught mathematician from Italy, also found a way to solve some cubic equations. Tartaglia was cautious because sharing his method could mean losing his competitive edge, especially since mathematicians often challenged each other in public contests. Tartaglia eventually shared his solution with Girolamo Cardano, a well-known mathematician. Cardano promised to keep the method secret, but later he published it in his book called Ars Magna. He claimed he had learned about the solution from Tartaglia but also mentioned that he had seen earlier work by del Ferro. Because of this, Cardano's publication made the solution famous, even though Tartaglia had discovered it first. That's why the formula is often called Cardano's formula, even though Tartaglia played a major role. This feud shows how competitive and secretive mathematicians could be during the Renaissance. They guarded their discoveries closely, knowing that revealing a solution could change everything. Solving the cubic equation was a big step forward in algebra, moving away from the limitations of ancient Greek mathematics. It also helped pave the way for solving more complex equations, like quartic equations, and even led to the development of complex numbers, which are used in everything from engineering to physics today. Looking at the bigger picture, this story shows how numbers and mathematical ideas spread through human interaction, rivalry, and collaboration. It highlights how the pursuit of knowledge was a human story, full of competition and cooperation. The solution to the cubic equation didn't just advance math, it also influenced how people thought about numbers and their meanings. It helped shape the symbolic notation we use now and contributed to the rebirth of scientific thinking during the Renaissance. So, the feud between Cardano and Tartaglia isn't just about math. It's about how numbers and ideas grow through human effort and curiosity.